A plugin just for zooming? Use the functions Fit to Screen, Fit Layers to Screen, and Actual Size without having to search for them in the menu. You can also set up to 4 zoom levels yourself. In the settings, you can set the values for each button. If you leave the value blank or set it to 0, the button will be hidden. If you hold down the Alt or Option key, you switch to 100%. You can also zoom more individually. Click on this button to zoom out by 1%. Alt or Option and click to zoom out by 5%. And Control, Command, and click to zoom out by 10%. If you use the Shift key when clicking, the value is halved or doubled if you use this button. Download a free trial version now and see for yourself how much the Tiny Tools plugins simplify your everyday work.